Students, we are solving chapter 2 polynomial. For revision purpose, we have taken a question. We want to find out the cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time and the product of its zeros as 2, -7, -14 respectively. Okay. So for this what we do, first we suppose that let the required cubic polynomial be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d and its zeros be alpha, beta and gamma. And now we will find out the sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, is equal to minus coefficient of x square whole upon coefficient of x cube. In this, the coefficient of x square is b, so we will write minus b upon coefficient of x cube, and in this the coefficient of x cube is a, so we get sum of the zeros as minus b by a. Okay, now come to the sum of the product of the zeros taken two at a time, which means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. It will be equals to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. In this, coefficient of x is c and coefficient of x cube is a, so we get c upon a. Now lastly we will find out the product of the zeros. The product of the zeros will be alpha into beta into gamma, that is minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. So in this the constant term is d and the coefficient of x cube is a, so we will write minus d by a. Now since the sum of the zeros is given as 2 in the question, so we will write it as alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2. But according to the relationship between the coefficients and the sum of the zeros, we equate it to minus b by a, and then comes our sum of the product of the zeros taken two at a time, so alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and it is given in the question as minus 7, so we equate minus 7 by this c upon a. And lastly the product of the zeros, that is alpha beta gamma, and it is given in the question as minus 14, so we equate minus 14 by this minus d by a. Okay, now if a is common denominator in all the threes, okay, that's why we have, if we take a is equal to 1, then this minus b by a will be equals to 2. In this, from this we can find out that minus b by a is equal to 2. So it implies that when a is 1, so it implies that b will be equals to minus 2. And from this one, that is c upon a is equal to minus 7. So c upon a is equal to minus 7. When we have a is equal to 1, so c will be equals to minus 7. And from this minus d by a is equal to minus 14. When we equate them, and if a is equal to 1, then minus and minus will be cancelled out, and it implies that d will be equals to 14. Therefore the required cubic polynomial, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, will be, putting the value of a as 1, b we have find out as minus 2, c as minus 7 and d as 14. In this cubic polynomial we get x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus of 14. In this way we can find out the cubic polynomial. Thank you.